Hey, Scott Young here. I'm glad you could join me on this video, and I hope you're doing really good. If you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on the best affiliate marketing for beginners. Well, that's what we're going to cover in detail today to give you a quick start on your affiliate marketing journey. Now, before I get started, let me tell you a little bit about what I did that was wrong when I started, and I want to give you a head start so you don't have to do the same thing I did. What I did is I went out and I bought one of these done-for-you systems, which is one of these all-in-one things where you purchase it, you install it, and you click a button, and it's off and running. And the gurus, the people that create these, say you start making money immediately. Well, I found that that wasn't the case, because when you buy one of these done-for-you systems, you look like everyone else on the internet, and you end up not rising above the noise of what everyone else is doing, and the conversions are super low. So I'm going to teach you today the other 80% of what most people don't teach you in the courses or the done-for-you system, so that you can actually get a good head start in your affiliate marketing business. All right, so there are three steps that you need to take in your affiliate marketing business to really get a leap on your competition. All right, the first thing is you need to pick a product. Okay, the product is going to be a high ticket product. You don't really want to look for products that the only option for selling is, like a $7 course or a $25 tool or something like that. You want to pick a product that has a high ticket item in there, because you're going to want and need the profit margin from that high ticket item to cover all of your expenses. So for example, you might find a product that's really high quality, really going to serve your customers' needs, and it might have an introductory type of program that's, let's say, $25. It's going to give your customer a basic course on learning the fundamentals, which is going to be really valuable to them. But then it may also have another step up the ladder for those who are even more serious, and might be a $2,000 live training event. And that is going to really bump up your profitability, and it's going to help the people that you are selling to, because this is going to be an ultra high value product to them. And then maybe even further up the sales ladder or the value ladder of that affiliate product, they might have, I don't know, maybe a $10,000 in-person coaching with the founder of that company. That would be awesome. That would really help people if they were that committed. So you want to find a product that has a good value ladder, that's going to have a high ticket item in there, that's going to ensure your success. You want to make sure this is a high quality product that is actually going to help the customer that you are trying to help. Don't just go out there and look for high converting affiliate offers, because high converting does not mean quality product. It could be selling like hotcakes, but ultimately it's just a pile of garbage. So you want to find a high quality product that you can promote to your leads. All right, the second thing is, once you found that product, you need a good sales funnel. Okay, because a sales funnel is going to be what you send your leads through, that is going to develop the likability, the trustability, and the value that they're going to see from you. And it is going to make it much more likely for them to take your recommendation of the product that you are offering. And so a sales funnel consists of a number of things, but fundamentally it is a capture page. A capture page is where you're going to send your traffic into, and you're going to give them a lead magnet, something maybe like a free training series, or even an ebook. I'm not a huge fan of those, but something that is going to give them a reason to put their email into your capture page. And once you capture their email, you are going to, it's going to automatically put that into an email autoresponder program. Now, the autoresponder program is going to be set up with a series of emails that will automatically go out maybe every day or every couple days to these leads. And each of these emails is either going to link to your website, or within the email itself have some really useful and valuable content that you're sharing with your lead. And again, as you send them an email every day over the course of days, this is going to develop the likability and trustability in you as the person that they have subscribed to get this valuable information. And then in each of those emails, or in the article or video that you link to, which is your content, you could then let them know about the product that you recommend. Now, don't hard sell on them. Don't make the whole video about that. You want to provide them valuable content. And then at the end, you could say, hey, if you want to try this thing that I tried, go ahead and click the link. And so you're giving a no pressure tactic, which is appealing to people because they've come to you for free information, and you're just letting them know about something that will work for them. All right, so you've got those two elements together. Now the third element is to create valuable real estate out on the internet. So what is valuable real estate out on the internet? Well, for example, it could be articles or blog posts or YouTube videos on low competition keywords. Okay, so let's say you've got a website that you're going to be writing articles on. Well, you need to not just write random articles, because you could be writing on things that are super high competition out on Google, and you're never going to rise up through the ranks of the search engine if you're going after those super high competition keywords. But you want to go into Google Keyword Planner, you want to look for keywords associated with your niche, and then you want to look for actually the ones that have a low amount of search volume, maybe 100 to 500 searches per month there. Now I know that sounds crazy, but it's going to be way easier to rank for those keywords. And then once you've written 20, 30, 50, or 100 articles on low competition keywords, that really adds up, and you're going to be getting thousands of searches per month, and they're going to be clicking on your link because there's not a lot of competition there. You're going to be right near the top, so you can get the majority of the clicks there. And a lot of people are going to come into your blog and be looking at your articles. And within your articles, you will again be giving no pressure, low-key pitches for the affiliate offer that you are making. Either at the end of the article, or mentioning it within the article, or referencing in the article if it actually makes sense. Now, the same thing with YouTube. You could be making a short 3-minute YouTube video every other day or every day, if you could handle it, on these low competition keywords, so that out there on YouTube, you start developing 30, 50, 100 videos, which are like real estate out there on YouTube. And as people are looking and searching these particular keywords, they keep seeing your face on the video. They keep seeing your videos pop up, and there is an authority aspect that is built up over a short period of time as you get all these videos out there, and people start to trust you, and they start to recognize the videos, and they will click on the link in your description under the video as you give them valuable information in the video, and you let them know that you have this recommended product. So those are the 3 fundamental steps that are really going to boost you into the affiliate marketing business. And it's really a great way to get started, because you're focusing on low competition, where you can easily make steady and quick gains and start to build that income in fairly short order. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. I hope that it really helps you get a jump start on your business. If you like this content, hit the thumbs up button there below, and click to subscribe to my channel, and I'll give you more and more valuable content. And again, if you'd like to know what my #1 recommended program is for making money online right now, I've dropped a link right below this video in the description, and you can feel free to check it out, see what you think. All right, take care.